Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyochopo higni 56 odiochieng' manyoro e nyasi mar hingo nyuolne. Ruto noriwore gi nyithindo mane okonye e kampen mar pidho yiende e boma ma Ngong, kaunti ma Kajiado. Tok mano, Ruto ne obago nyasi mar Christmas e kar jot mare ma Nakuru. Nyithindo noyudo thuolo mar mong'o kek e nyasi ma nyuol jatend piny. Ka Ruto kod min ode Rael Ruto nokwayo hayo maber mar skuku mar Christmas kod mar higa manyien ne nyithindo goto kod jo Kenya duto.
I wish you well. I know we are in a festive season. All of us are going into Christmas. I want to wish each and every one of you and your parents and your families and all Kenyans a Merry Christmas and a blessed, wonderful 2023.
As we go to 2023, we wish you God's blessings together with your families as you will be traveling wherever you are going, whether you are going up country or you'll be left in the city. We want to wish you God's blessings. And parents, we want to say thank you so much for the work that you continue to do, even in State House and in the office of the President. We appreciate you. And thank you for bringing up your children in the ways of the Lord and even in the religions that you believe in, because that is the best thing that you can do to your children.